So welcome to the basement. Behind this closed door is a surprise. Hi babies. Y'all doing chickeny things? We have 8 hens and 1 rooster. The others. And so we're super excited to raise these. If in a few weeks we'll be able to put them outside. We'll keep them separate from the other birds until they get a little bit bigger. It's Sunday morning, 6 a.m. It's already windy, and I'm going out to see for the first time if there are any pigs. Dogs. The truth, maybe there's a hen in the lane. Well, there are no eggs in there. Are there any eggs somewhere else? Just the ceramic ones. Okay, gotta admit, a little disappointed. But everybody seems pretty happy. Pretty healthy. Nice. Maybe they're later morning layers. It takes about an hour for some hens to lay. They're gonna need to sit in their nesting boxes and make this happen. Mama bought them for eggs. Hopefully they're not just freeloaders. So we have 4 trees out front on the north side of the property. The second one from the right is mostly dead, and Brandon has hated it ever since we moved here, so we're going to take it down today. There's a wind advisory, but we're going to ignore that. We did plant 6 clematis vining bushes to vine right up our chicken run. One way is to produce a little bit of a windbreak, but also to draw some insects that the chickens would like to eat. Clematis is toxic to chickens, but they usually figure it out really quickly that you don't eat that. So we trust that our chickens are actually pretty smart chickens. In our garden you'll find some bush peas that are just starting to flower. This is our later set of radishes that we planted. Down here is the full set of radishes right there in the middle. And as you can tell, they're starting to get ready. Like, we can start to see a little red bulb in there. We're gonna let them grow a little bit longer, get a little hotter. And right over here we do have some onions.
eggs. They put them in a different place. They decided that was going to be their nesting area, even though the nesting area is literally right there. They laid eggs. They laid eggs. We could have had eggs for breakfast.